So this is my missionaries and cannibals testing for prologue. Um, as you can see, outlined by the documentation, here we have our prologue file. And if we take this and then take our prologue runner, which is right here, we consult the file. There we go. Let's load it up. And to actually search for the cause, we use find. And you can see for the default case of 3.3 on the left, it returns a successful answer. Note that the numbers here are actually all pertaining to the left side, not the right side. So after one missionary and cannibal has been moved to the right, on the left side there will be 2 and 2, and this just indicates which direction the boat went in. Okay, so we know that one works. The actual explanation is listed in my testing documentation. Kind of graphically shows it, just with some ASCII art, how it actually works. So let's modify this, and let's bring this to 4.4. We have that at 4.4. So now let's consult it again since we altered it. Oop, wrong thing. Got to abort. There we go. And we find that it's false. This is consistent in my testing before. Off video, anything greater than 3 does not work. So now let's try it for 2 and 2. And here we have 2 and 2. We saved it again. We bring up the wrong window. 1 second. There we go. And bring it back up for consulting. Find. Oh hey, I found a solution. But wait. This doesn't work because the one cannibal returns from the other side after 2 missionaries cross the river. That doesn't work. We only have 2 cannibals. We can't have 3 at any point. So this is the case of the phantom cannibal. This does not work for anything but 3.3. There obviously is a solution for 2.2, but in this case it does not find it correctly. So we know that this prologue only works for 3 and 3. I'm sure it could be altered so that it worked for all cases, but that didn't happen. So moving on, the last test we want to do is bring it back to the default, but change the solution so that you only need 2 cannibals and 2 missionaries on the left side. So I changed that up here. That's what the 1.1 is here, and I restored the 3.3 on the left. And we're consulting it again, and we go to find. And this solution actually does work. Again, I listed this in the actual write-up of my testing documentation. And part of that reason, I believe, is the fact that it's part of the same tree that ends up being the tree for the complete 3.3 problem with all 3 on the right side. So it just stops its search after it reaches the goal state. So that's pretty much the wrap-up of the missionaries and cannibals problem, just the testing portion. Just figured I would throw a video up there to show that I did get it working. Seems to work pretty well. Just, thought it would be a unique case rather than looking at it in Java or something like C++ to look at it in Prolog, since it is a constraint problem. Thanks for watching.